Alrighty, excuse the mess on the desk. It's late night and trying to finish this project up. So my goal was to make a latching relay system, which consisted of two SP-ST relays or a DP-DT, either way, and two switches. So I got a normally open and normally close. Pretty much normally open makes contact and lets the circuit latch. Normally closed, it's always running, but once you break it, there's no more latch. So make contact, latches, break contact, unlatches. So I made this, it sat around my desk for a few weeks, whatever, and then decided to pull it out and give it some new life. So pretty much I've been picking up these RC cars at thrift stores for next to nothing. It's just hard to find one with a matching transmitter. Anyways though, I yanking them apart. Here's one right here. This is the receiver from one. There's a transmitter right there. So pretty much the DC motor was at these connections right here. So that's going out between the base and emitter of that BJT right there. And I have that resistor at the base. And that's so this thing can't get tuned all the way down, because if it gets a zero, it's going to burn my jumpers. Did that a few times today. So that's kind of my little safety mechanism, so I can't go below a certain resistance. So anyways, I tuned this so it turns on and off, it latches without any problems. If it's too high, then it's just gonna, these are just jump. There's buzz because there's not enough power to hold them. So anyways, if I press, for example, this is the motor forward, sends 5 volts and turns that BJT on. BJT's collector and emitter are jumped across the activation switch. So pretty much it short circuits these two leads right there, just like this button normally would. So this button, all it is a short circuit. So now if I press let's grab this transmitter. So you can see no wires, it's wireless. If I press that button right there, it turns on my lamp. So that takes care of turning it on. Turning it off will be extremely similar. I'm just going to use a JFET, it's a bug, a JFET instead of a BJT, because the BJT is obviously normally opened. It's not, depletion mode. So in a JFET, that's going to mimic this switch over here. It's depletion mode. It's always running unless you send it a signal. So I'll use one of the other buttons on this remote to send in the JFET a signal, and that'll temporarily break the circuit, which will unlatch it. Oops, there we go. Alrighty, until next time.